Tiny Mo looks like she's up after something. Let's see what she's doing. What's out there, Momo? What's out there? Really? What is it, though? Is it a bird? Chipmunk? Squirrel? Just asking. Just asking, Tiny Mo. Well, I don't know. That's why I was asking you. You seemed interested. You were chipping at it. Where's it at? Where's it at out there? I can't see him. Where'd he go? I don't know. I don't know where it is. Don't know, Momo. Oh, there's a birdie. Knew it was out there somewhere, Mo. Just make sure to keep them away from the house, Momo. Keep them away from the house. Yeah, darn birds. I know.